two things that we need to know in circles? What do you think? Radius. And what else? Center. I think I heard someone say, or wanted someone to say it. Okay, I heard it. What is our center here? HK. And our radius? Your radius is R. Okay. Now find the center and radius of each. So, what about this first one? What about A? What's my center? Careful, what does our equation look like? Is it subtracting or addition in the original? So what's my center? 3, -4. What about my radius? Radius is 9. Remember, this is R squared. So don't say your radius is 81. What about the next one? Do the next one quickly. What's my center?
0,
0, 2. What's my radius?
Square root of 5.
Square root of 5. Everyone okay labeling based on what we see? Yes, okay. Now we're ready to the standard form of the circle. So now, same thing, we're just given a little different information. Instead of telling what the center and radius are, we're given the center and radius and we have to write it. So, what is my equation look like for this? Okay, and then equals. Okay, this is the only time I'm ever going to write it like this, just in case some of us are not seeing the skipped step. To simplify this, we have minus a minus, so that becomes plus. Nothing changes here, and our 7 squared becomes a 49. Okay? Alright, what about the next one? Center -1, 4, and tangent to x equals 3. Who remembers what tangent means? Or could just shout out a guess. What? That's an idea, but not quite what I'm going for. It means it touches that at one point. Tangent, it hits it at one point. So what, show me with your arm, what does x equal 3 look like? Up and down, right? Okay, so I'm drawing this, -1, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm up here, and it's tangent to x equals 3. This would be the point here. You can count over 1, 2, 3, 4. And what does that represent? Our radius. So now if we go 4 in every direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can draw our circle from there. Okay? So now that we know our center is -1, 4, and our radius is 4, what does our equation look like? So our center is -1, 4. X plus 1 squared. Y minus 4. And that equals? Does everyone understand how we got this? If you are confused, let me know now. Yes?
How did you graph that?
So we know the center is -1, 4. So that's here. and our tangent is at x equals 3. And we don't really touch it at one point. That makes sense? Okay. When you're graphing, you guys, you don't need a perfect circle. You just need the exact points. So as long as the points are right, even if your circle looks a little wonky, that's okay. You just need the exact points. Alright? Try this one. Where's the x-axis again? Show me with your arm. X-axis. X is this way, y is this way. So x-axis. Real quick, do this one on your paper. Okay, so I plotted my point negative 5, 4. And if it's tangent to the x-axis, what other point do I know on my graph?